Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm going to show you how I make my soothing cream for dry, itchy skin. This cream is thick and very moisturizing on your skin. If you have problem skin, dry, itchy, flaky skin, this is a very moisturizing cream that is going to feel amazing on your skin. I'm going to show you step by step how I make this, so let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. I'm going to weigh out all my ingredients and I'll have everything I used listed in the description box along with the recipe. So I'm going to weigh out all my water-based ingredients. That will be my water phase, starting with distilled water. Next is aloe vera juice. This is very moisturizing on your skin, very soothing, and can be helpful with eczema prone skin. My next ingredient is colloidal oats. This is perfect for dry skin. It's very good for soothing dry, itchy skin and also moisturizing your skin as well. So you want to mix well. The colloidal oats, you might see bits and pieces of the colloidal oats, but by the time you heat up your mixture, all that is going to dissolve. So I'm just going to set this aside and I'm going to work on my oil phase. So all my oil-based ingredients, I'm going to weigh that next. I'm using my chamomile infused oil. I infused this in olive oil. You are welcome to use another oil of your choice. This has amazing moisturizing benefits for your skin. I'm using aloe vera butter. If you don't have this, you can also use shea butter or mango butter. I'm adding in my emulsifying wax. This is going to combine my oil and water ingredients together so that way there's no separation. And then I'm adding in my cetyl alcohol. This is a co-emulsifier as well as a thickener. You can also use a stearic acid if you don't have this. So now that I have all my oil-based ingredients, I'm going to get my water-based ingredients. So I'm going to heat both containers on low and steady heat. Before I do that, I'm going to weigh my water jar because some of that water is going to evaporate when I'm heating up my container. So you want to take note of that jar, the weight of your water jar before you heat it up. So I'm just going to heat this on low and steady heat. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes for everything to heat up to about the same temperature. So after heating up my containers, I'm going to replace any water that evaporated during the heating phase. So that's what I'm doing here. So after replacing that water, I'm going to combine my water phase to my oil phase, and that's the best part of making creams. And then I'm going to use my stick blender and I'm going to just mix this really well. You want to take your time to do this. I usually do this for at least 3 minutes. You want to make sure that your both phases are well mixed, your water and oils are well combined. So just take your time to do this. So after mixing, this is what my consistency is looking like. It is on the light and runny side, and that is normal. You just want to mix until your oils and water ingredients are well combined. That's the goal of mixing with your stick blender. So this is what it looks like. It's just on the runny side. So I'm just going to set this aside, and I'm going to work on my cool down ingredients. You don't want to add your cool down ingredients when your mixture is still hot. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm just checking the temperature one more time. You want to add in your cool down ingredients when your mixture is cool and not hot. So I'm just adding in my essential oil and vitamin E oil, and I'm just going to mix so it's well combined. My mixture was quite thick, so I ended up using my whisk so I could get everything well combined. And this is what my consistency is looking like. This is a thick cream recipe. If you want a lighter consistency like a lotion, I have a video. I'll leave that linked in the description box. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to check the pH of my cream. All I do is take a small amount of my cream and I mix it in some distilled water, and then I use my pH meter to check the pH level. You always want to do this when you make your products. You want to stay in your skin's pH range, which is between 4.5 to 5.5. I'm adding in my preservative next, and you want to use a preservative because this is a water-based product and you want to avoid mold, bacteria, yeast from growing in your mixture. So I'm just going to use my whisk and blend everything so it's well combined. And this is what the soothing cream is looking like. How gorgeous is this consistency? This is such a soothing and moisturizing cream. I made this for a family member, but I had to make extra for myself. It feels so good on your skin. Of course, you can make adjustments, changes that work for you. You can make changes to some of the ingredients. You just have to do what works best for your skin type. So I'm going to package this up next, and this made 10 ounces and shelf life is up to 9 months. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you're going to make changes or if you're going to try out this recipe, I'd love to hear from you all in the comments. But this is definitely going to be my favorite cream going forward. I love the consistency and how it feels on my skin. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not, and also turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos I upload. And also please like this video as well, because that really helps me out. And if you do celebrate Christmas, wishing you a wonderful Christmas, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.